Hi, everybody. Jasmin Dodson here from Dodson Legal Group, and today I'm going to be talking about what happens when someone passes away without a will. In the state of Texas, when someone passes away without a will and there's a need to do an administration of their estate, meaning there's a need to transfer their assets to their beneficiaries, what happens in the state of Texas is called an intestate distribution process. Now, it's similar to a probate, except there is no will. There is no valid will, and the court is required to determine who the heirs are of the estate. And so that process is called a determination of heirship. In a determination of heirship process, the court appoints an attorney ad litem who is tasked with representing the unknown heirs of the estate. And so this person is required to reach out to two disinterested witnesses and whoever the person is that's applying for the estate to be opened, and reach out to these people and find out who the beneficiaries of the estate will be. The attorney ad litem files a report with the court based on their findings, and they determine whether or not the person had a living spouse, whether or not they have living children, whether they have grandchildren, whether their parents are going to be the one who benefits from the estate. And this is all based on the Texas Estates Code rules about intestate distribution, meaning who gets your stuff when you pass away without a will. A determination of heirship process can be rather simple for some people if you've only been married once and you have children from the same marriage. But for someone that has had several marriages and have children from a lot of different people, the process of determining heirs can be very cumbersome. It's also difficult for someone who's older and maybe they have children who've passed away, and the attorney ad litem is required to search for grandchildren or great-grandchildren of the decedent. That can be a very difficult process to determine who in fact is entitled to benefit from this estate. So before you consider doing a probate without a will, it's also important to consider what costs are going to be associated with trying to locate missing and unknown heirs. If it's going to be very difficult, then you might want to consider an alternative to probate than doing a determination of heirship. Once again, I'm Jasmin Dodson with Dodson Legal Group, and that was just a brief summary of what happens in the state of Texas when someone passes away without a will. So if you want more information to determine whether or not it's viable to try to probate an estate without a will, and whether or not it's economical to try to do so, give me a call and I'm happy to talk with you in more detail about it. Thanks for watching.